Hello guys, welcome back to Tech2. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a cinematic effect into your videos using
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you are a video creator or a filmmaker, you know how important it is to have an engaging intro that grabs your audience attention. With Filmora, you can create a professional looking cinematic effect in just a few simple steps. So if you want to create an Oscar-like effect into your videos, you can do it very easily with Wondershare Filmora. Open Filmora and create a new project. Then go to titles, and here you can see they have different templates like cinematic effects. So you can search any titles and draw according to your need. For example, I want to search award. Here it will show the all award related title, intro and lower thirds. You can choose anyone. Drag and drop to your timeline, double click on it, you can edit it according to your need. You can change its title, its font size, font color, and you can do everything as you want. Filmora has a wide range of effects also that you can use. Simply drag and drop the effect onto the footage in the timeline. You can adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the edge of the clip. Also, you can add any text into your intro to introduce your brand or video title. Click on the text tab and select the type of text that you want to use. You can customize the font, size, color and animation of the text. So once you have finished editing your intro, it's time to export it. Click on the export button and select the desired output format and resolution. You can also adjust the quality of the video. Hit the export button and wait for the video to be exported. Creating a cinematic effect intro with Filmora is really easy, and with these simple steps, you can create a professional looking intro in no time. So go ahead and experiment with the various effects and templates available in Filmora to create your own unique intro. Thank you so much for watching, and the links are available in the video description, so check it out.